Virgo, hello, this is Madam J. Welcome to your June Ratchet Family Feud edition, your June reading. Um, Please feel free to subscribe. I'm about to say describe. Subscribe and welcome back to my existing subscribers. I appreciate the support, the feedback. Please comment, like, share, email me, let me know if the readings resonate with you. Alright, y'all know I like to get started quick. I don't like all that extra talking and stuff. Virgo, we have you coming in with your energy. And you're coming in as the Michael Bloomberg of the family. Michael actually took a L to make a major gain. When he was let go from Wall Street, he used his severance packet to start Bloomberg Television. So now he's a multi-billionaire. You know, sometimes you have to take that L to get that W. So don't be ashamed or afraid to take a loss to get to your win or to get to your gain. That's the message. We have Taurus coming in. Some of you may be dealing with a Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Capricorn, and Aquarius. Like I said, this may be your mate, your friend, your family, your co-workers, your best friend. Take it as it resonates. Virgo, I have you may be a porn star or in the porn industry. Let's see what other professions come out for Virgo. All right, Virgo. We have a phlebotomist. I have a chef. Somebody's a musician, and I have that here. Here you go. She's probably been doing music for a long time. I have a set designer. Somebody works at a donut shop. A florist. A web designer. Somebody works at the plant. Somebody is an astrologist. Personal trainer. Let's see what else we have for Virgo. Kidnapper. He came here, so Virgo, what y'all got going on? Tell me. I have a celebrity rapper. The FBI is involved. You may be an FBI agent. Get a couple more, Virgo. Somebody's a barber. A makeup artist. I have a carpenter. And one of you may work with the Secret Service. I also have a Reiki practitioner, video film producer, a novelist, and a writer. Somebody is a salon owner, archaeologist, a mortgage and loan processor, and a playwright. The opposition I have over here, local rapper. Somebody's a drug addict. Somebody's an architect. This is interesting. Also have your GM. Somebody's trafficking fucking women. Also have an addiction counselor. Somebody works in forensics. A detective. police officer. So have a secretary. Yeah, what's this? Oh, you was trying to hide. Somebody's an informant. And they snitching. Just a person that's not the informant for the police. You're just snitching on everything you do to everybody. Have a music producer. CNA. A chemist. And also a fast food. Alright, that's it for the professions. Okay, let's see. I got something new. See where some of you are located. See where y'all located. Some of you. This ain't gonna apply to all of you. I just jumped out of New York. Figures. I used to watch New York Undercover. Somebody's from Maine. I also have, what is this? Michigan. Let me shuffle these some more. Nebraska. Virginia. No, that ain't. It's too close. Iowa. And we also have Kansas. There's a couple more. Washington. All right, so that's where some of you are located. Take it as it resonates. Like I said, you may be located in those places. You may be from those places. Or you may be dealing with people from those places. Okay? All right, now let's see what's going on. What's going on? Virgo. Virgo, we have, you are secretly stripping. Your family stalks your social media, Virgo, but of course you know that. What they looking for? Your dad is the devil. Write a book about it. And I did get the novelist and got the playwright sitting on top. So whatever your life experience was, write a book about it. It's probably very interesting. Or write a song about it. Just write about it, period. I'm a public speaker, motivator, somebody that just encourages people. This camel fall. I'm sorry, Virgo. Just trying to make sure we get a good shuffle on these. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plan it out. You may be seeing those numbers. That's telling you that you need order in your life. Red is your favorite color. Virgo, you're the hermit, so you probably don't spend much time around your Ratchet family. The FBI is watching your mate, Virgo. Of course, you probably had that inkling. You have on a yellow dress and red lipstick. Telekinesis is your superpower. And my left hand keep itching. I got some money coming in. That money manifestation been working. Jeez. I'm thankful. You just met your soulmate, Virgo. And I can see that right here. Here you are. Maybe male or female. Take it as it resonates. But this is two earth signs. Maybe you met a Taurus, another Virgo, or a Capricorn. This could be you, male or female. This could be you, male or female. But anyway, I'm feeling like this is a Virgo male. Or if you're a Virgo female, you just met another man, a Virgo man. Or a Capricorn or a fucking Taurus man. Anyway, he's very enlightened. He may be a musician. Maybe a business owner. Maybe high up in his company or the corporation that he works for, but he's very enlightened. He's very abundant, pleasurable, comfortable in his sexuality. You may also be experiencing reproductive issues with your reproductive organs, your kidneys, your bowels, or your immune system. Are you dealing with a caregiver? Are you doing caregiving work right now, Virgo? But yeah, that's the soulmates. Let's see what else we got. You may need to unblock your sacral chakra as well, Virgo. And your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is open. He does have on this green sweater. Let's see if I can open this window a little bit to get some more air, light. Let's see what else is going on, Virgo. Telepathy is your superpower, so you're an X-Men, you're a superhero. I see, Virgo. You work in the porn industry. Oh, goodness. I did get the damn porn stuff first. Time for a new hairstyle, Virgo. You're bored. It's probably why you got to read this, to come to this channel. What's this? Drama on the cruise ship. So one of you work on the cruise ship. And that's funny because, guess what? I saw this card, but I didn't pull it out. And one of you may be a cruise director. I was going to put it down with something saying no. So this goes, is drama on the cruise ship? Are you the cruise director? Your teenager has a baby on the way, Virgo. Oh dear. I don't know how you feel about that. I know I'm not ready to be a damn grandmother. A funeral is being planned. Did someone just pass away? Your father? Oh, shit. And having deep anxiety about it is keeping you up at night. You're unable to focus because you just lost your dad. My condolences if so. Your landlord has a crush on you. Virgo, you are protected. Your whole family is Ratchet. Do we know that? Virgo, don't eat from your best friend. Your male cousin stole your money. Virgo, you don't know who your baby is for. Oh, goodness. You want to reveal a family secret, Virgo. Do it. Yeah, you're going to let that secret out fast. There go the Knight of Swords. Message coming out quick, fast, and in a hurry. That's going to do some damage. Huh. Your dad is cheating with your aunt, your mom's sister. His wretched ass. And her skank ass. Your ex has a tracking device on your phone, Virgo. God dog it. I don't know what that feels like. Change your oil. Your brother is down low. Virgo, you are the side piece. If you didn't know, now you know. Virgo, stop telling your business. Virgo, you are on drugs? Did get the drug addict card. Now, for all of you, some of you, your mother is jealous of you. This one jumped out. It's time to relocate, Virgo. You may be feeling like that. Virgo, you are a multi-millionaire. Michael Bloomberg of the family. Told you that. Time to buy a new wig. Virgo, you a sleepwalker? Waking up at night? Virgo, you're in a love triangle. Guess what? He is never going to leave his wife. That could be this right here as well. Oh, God, Virgo. You got some anxiety about this man. You're hoping that he's rushing in because he's been very romantic. Like the man of your dreams. Charms you out your damn panties. But now you got deep anxiety. Up at night, can't sleep. Well, you may be up at work. You work overnight. Thinking about this situation. Girl, let that go. If he's married, let it go, honey. If he's been in a long-term relationship, let it go, girl. Let it go, Virgo. You deserve better. Don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. Because you do. You deserve better. You don't have to deal with being a damn side piece in a damn love triangle. You are a time traveler. Indicated by this as well, you move swiftly. That bike is like a time machine. Really just you jumping through dimensions. You have your dad is a Nork. For some of you, he or she is the one. Congrats. Your brother is a creep. And your family is jealous of you. Your best friend gossips about you with your enemies. You probably already knew that. One of y'all stole your sister's money, Virgo. Shame on you. Your mate is a liar. Yeah, the FBI is watching you. Probably so be a goddamn kidnapper. You are a magician. Pull a few more of these. And then we're going to see what's going on with this. You go to New York. And New York was one of the first cards that came out when I was saying where you were located. Do you need to go back home, Virgo? What's going on in New York? Tell me, Virgo, what is going on in New York? Let's see. I don't know. Virgo, you need to have strength right now, though. There's a situation that you're dealing with. You also may work with animals and caring for animals and people. You also may be a dentist or work in human resources. From how this card is looking, it looks as it's two sides to you. You may be on a I'm looking at the Leo Virgo cusp. That's probably what it is, because you got two faces. You got the Leo on one side and the conservative Virgo on the other side. So one of you may be on the cusp. Are you the sacrificial lamb in your family? The messenger. Oh, bless me. Telling the truth. You're a messenger. You're a prophet. You were sent here to help heal people. And you need strength and courage to do that. Oh, goodness. Let's see. We got the Nine of Swords. Like I say, you may be a night worker. You work overnight. Or you could have extreme anxiety about a situation. Maybe you just lost a loved one and you're having a hard time sleeping. You may also be a mental health worker and you're dealing with patients that are extremely overwhelmed. Maybe can't sleep at night or going through a lot of mental anxiety. All right. Now we have the Knight of Cups, which is the writer, the poet, the musician. You also may be a healthcare provider. Maybe you work overnight at the hospital. Or you've got a music project you've been working on for a while and you're finally starting to see some success from that. You're going to get a big bag, big check from this music project. Or this book you've been working on. Maybe one of you just published a poetry book, or you need to. There's not enough poets out here. We need to bring that back to the forefront. So write a book about poetry if this is you. We also have the Knight of Swords. Maybe a soldier, a doctor, a computer hacker, or a game developer. So is this you, doctor, working late, healing pets, or you're a veterinarian and you're up late working overnight? Well, not the vet, but the doctor. Up late working overnight, stressed because you're trying to save people and it's overwhelming you, especially dealing with COVID right now. And you're just contemplating your life, ready to make swift changes. Thinking about getting out of being a doctor or changing your profession. You may also be thinking about retiring. Then we have the Queen of Pentacles, which is the manager, the carer, the businesswoman. And the King of Pentacles is also a business owner and a manager. So maybe you're going into partnership with your spouse. Or you guys starting a gaming company. Or you guys about to start a gaming company or developing a game, you and your wife. Y'all like to play, fun-hearted. Hmm, that's interesting. All right, Virgo. Looks as though, like I said, you may have lost a parent recently. A parent may have been a musician, an actor, writer. They're trying to reach out to you, maybe at nighttime, but you're a little afraid. Afraid. You're not ready to tap into your powers or your gifts, but you need to because that person has a message for you. You're magical. And your parent was magical as well. There's a gift being passed down from you, from your father to you. In some cases, for a female, your daddy was gifted, and he's passing down this magical gift of manifesting. Yeah. You're about to inherit some gifts, or you may be inheriting insurance from your parents passing away. You may also be going through a major transformation. Has your sleep schedule off. You're not feeling sexy. You're not feeling confident. You're feeling powerless. You don't feel like having sex. You just feel like being isolated, alone, and to yourself. But you're going to tap into your power. You're about to transform. You're going from a caterpillar to a butterfly. And some of you are about to write the most epic music, novel, poem, some type of creation, fashion of all time, and you're going to get public recognition for that. Somebody is about to get accolades for something you're working on. And you've been working on it for quite some time. You've put time in. You really put time in. You invested a lot of time into what you were doing. And you're about to get a big payout behind that. Also could be this video game developer. You put in a lot of time, a lot of late nights working on this game. And you're actually about to do something big with this game. It's going to come out and explode. You're going to get some recognition for that. Is it an action-oriented game? Or is it something like Call of Duty or some type of war game? A veteran war game? I don't know. Alright, I'm going to pull a few more. Some of y'all got somebody that's a sneak hater around you because this incense is burning weird. They're pretending like they support everything that you have going on, but they don't. They're secretly jealous of you. And this is you being tracked by your ex, by the way. Let's see. He, she loves to see you smile. You travel using public transportation. Your enemy drives a green vehicle. Your ex is sleeping with your sister. Child, I wouldn't be surprised. You are an actor, actress on Netflix, film, or show. A couple more Cuts off after 30. Let's see. Show me what else Virgo needs to know. How was Miami? You are a great mother. You are magical. Your ex is a stalker and stalks you and your mate. Oh, God. He may be planning to fucking attack, too, so just be careful. You are going to Dubai in 3 months. Your sister is casting dark spells on you. I guess so. She's sleeping with your fucking ex. And that fruit salad looks yummy. All right, Virgo, I'm out. Hit me up if this resonates with you. Let me know. If not, oh well, still give me some feedback. Subscribe, like, share. madamjayhealer, gmail.com. Bye, Virgo. I say Virgo. Bye, Virgo. Be safe.